What is threats and how to use it? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So threads is basically another social media application where you will be able to add threads, that is um, add your thoughts or um, any life updates. So this is a new application by Meta. So simply search for threads. This is actually linked with Instagram. In order to install it, simply go to your Play Store or your App Store. It is free to install. After installing, simply launch it and you can connect it with your Instagram. Now it is similar to Twitter, or commonly called as X nowadays. So yeah, as you can see, you can simply find your followers, add some threads, create a new thread, and like others, set the tone, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.